Open the website called fontawesome.com. 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 URL I'll share in the chat. Now in this website, what is the library going to help us? You can click on these icons. You have a link called icons. Click on that icons link. After clicking on icons link, after clicking on icons link, it will show you some very good designs icons. Right? This type of icons you can see. Right? In the beginning, even you have a link here. There is 19,000 icons. In that, 2018 is the free. Anyone can download and use it. It's a font awesome. General public license, open source. And then remaining are paid one. Click on this free one, free 2018 icons. If you click on that, it will show you the list of lot of icons, right? Like this. These icons are not image. It's a type of a font. It is a type of a font. Okay, it is type of a font that look like is a icon. Almost every type of icons are available that you may require in the project. Category wise, even they are given. Left side you can see the category wise, alert related, animals related arrows, right? You can see multiple categories are there, and under each category there is a few icons. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to download this library and we are going to integrate with our HTML and CSS page. CSS page will give us the design. HTML will be having the support from the tag side, and this icon will help you to make your page more attractive according to link or according to content. You can choose the separate icon. It will change the better design of your page. Now again you will come back to the fontawesome.com/download. You can write here download, fontawesome.com/download. Fontawesome.com/ download. Okay, fontawesome.com/download. Come down below. You have here button called free for web. You will click on that free for web button. Free for web you can click. It will download a folder. Okay, so downloaded. After downloading this folder, you need to extract here. We require to extract this folder. We require to extract this folder. Okay, hope extraction is done. You will get a folder. You can see inside you have fonts, wave, CSS, multiple folders are there, right? So we'll take the main folder, that is the container of this all subfolders. Main folder you copy, main folder you copy and paste into your external CSS. Main folder copy and paste in external CSS. Copy and paste in external CSS. Then inside this folder, you have folder structure like this: CSS, JS, less metadata, and many more. So this folder you will rename as a icon. Rename this folder as a icon. Rename this folder as icon. Okay, so done everyone. You should download the folder, copy in one folder, then you extract it. After that, rename the folder as a icon. You can let me know quickly once you download and extract it. Okay, I'll move next. In this folder, you can see icon folder. You have a CSS folder. Icon folder, you have a CSS folder. And under the CSS folder, you have a file called all.css. Icon folder have a CSS folder. And under that CSS folder, you have a file called all.css. That is the main file we are going to call. That is the main file we are going to call. Now, let's come to the your home file. You need to call one more link tag here. rel style sheet href dist slash css slash all.css. Dist css all.css. Dist css all.css. Not dist, it's called icon. Folder name is icon, not dist. Icon slash css slash all.css. After this, after h1 tag, you can write one I tag and follow inside class equal to FA. FA is the main class that exists in that library what you are calling FA. Initial class name will be FA. After that FA hyphen Assume desktop icon you want to display. So we wrote fa-desktop. Check now. You should see one desktop icon will appear in your page. You will see one desktop icon will appear in your page. Check once. It's coming. Okay, so hope you are getting the icon. Now, let me show you how that icon should appear. It should appear like this. Something like this. Left side. That icon we can increase the font size using like this. Write one more similar icon. Right here fa-lg. So same icon will be little large. The font size will become little big. Okay. You can write one more icon. Same icon again. fa-1x. 1x is nothing but 16 pixel. 1x is nothing but 16 pixel. 2x is nothing but 32 pixel. Font size icon will become as 32 pixel. You can check once. See, it's come like this. Icon will be little different sizes. 1x, 2x. We can follow 3x. 3x. It will become 16 into 3 font size. 16 into 3 font size. 16 into 3 font size. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maximum font size you have 10, 10x. That is called 16 into 10. 16 into 10. 16 into 10. Check it like this. Change the numbers. Okay. You can check also. The font size will be like this. 10 is the maximum font size. 10 is the max font size. More than that, if you want to write, we can create a class and we can increase the font size. That is also possible. Okay. Next, after this, you can add one more and write inside FA hyphen border. It will apply the border. It will apply the border. FA hyphen border will apply the border. FA hyphen border will apply the border in the icon surrounding. You can see all the side border got applied. All the side border got applied. Now related to color changes, there is no any class for the color change. Okay. Any ready-made class is not there. We have to write our own. We have to write our own color. We have to write our own class to change the color. So for that, let's try some classes. For 7, FA7X, write call red class. For 8X, write as a green class. For 9X, write as a blue class. For 10X, write as a orange class. These classes are not exist. We are going to write our own. Write this class name here. These classes will create under the CSS file with a different color combination.
Sir, any specific reason you used I tag for these fonts?
You can use some other tag also, but I is a inline tag. There is no another specific reason. You can use for P tag also, span tag also, EM tag also. Okay, I is inline tag, so people use I. You can try with the label also once. Let go here. I will write for label. Label open. Label close. Last one I have written. You can see border is coming. Same icon, everything remains same. It should not be block level tag. Block level tag will print in the new line. Inline tag any you can use. Any inline tag can use.
Sir, also in the CSS file, it's mentioned FA hyphen desktop double colon before. How did you take this class from there?
FA hyphen
Desktop double colon in the same file where you have used the .css file, all.css.
all.css file. There is a list of the classes are there.
Yeah, for FA desktop, it has mentioned FA desktop double colon before.
Before means where I tag will come. Before I tag, the icon will appear. Before and after both are the property of CSS. Using that, before a element you can display something, after element you can display something. So this icon is printing before I tag, not after I tag. Because I tag will take some place. So where you want to print the icon, before or I. So that they have specified before. Where I tag will print, before I tag icon will appear. Okay. Next, so hope you are writing a class, red, green, blue, orange in the CSS file. Go to your style.css file. and create 4 classes: red, green, blue, orange. Red, green, blue, orange. Come to the last, you can write here red, color as red, green, blue, orange. Green, blue, orange plus. Green, blue, then orange. Red, green, blue, orange. We can check here. Icon will change in different color. Sizes are given by Bootstrap, your font awesome, but colors are not available. We can write our own color and we can use it according to need. Okay, go next. In home file now, you will ask how to remember this class names for different icon. For that, we have to refer this website. After going to the font awesome, we need to go to the icon. What type of icon you want and what should be the class name. For that, we need to go to the website and click on icon and go to this one. Free icons that you are using as of now. Click on that free icons. 2018 links are there. After clicking on that, we'll get the data like this. In that, any icon. Suppose you want to use this phone symbol. Phone symbol, you will click on this. And then this icon appear here. You can see in the beginning, there are five types of, you can say 5 types of icons are there. The first what we have clicked, it's called solid. Second is called regular, something like this. Third is called light. Fourth is called thin. And the sixth one is called something. So total icons are of how many types? 5 types. Okay. Now in this, whichever we want, we can click on that. And then you can see it is generating the class here in the right side. I class equal to fa hyphen thin. Correct? fa hyphen thin. And then fa hyphen phone. Or if you click on regular icon, then it will come fa hyphen solid. Right? So 5 types of classes we have. What class we are written fa is common everywhere. Okay, so we can write common also. Common means it will give the default one. And if you want a specific in regular or something, we can click on this and then we can take the respective one. FA icon regular, FA icon thin, FA icon something you want. In that for HTML, there is a example for React also there is a different line, and for the Vue.js also there is a different line. Okay, so we can take according to technology and we can use it. Suppose I have clicked on the thin icon. I got here FA hyphen thin. I'll click here. The line will get copied. I'll come to my page and I will use here FA hyphen thin and I'll increase the FA hyphen 8x. So little big font size will come. The thin icon will come and the big size font size will be bigger. Thin icon will come, font size will be bigger, something like this. Oh, something wrong. Not coming. FA thin, FA 8x. Okay, wait. Is that we need to apply FA in the beginning? FA we need to apply. Then it's become a solid icon. By default, went for the solid one. Okay. Even it's a matter of their free and premium type. FA thin, thin is not coming. This is coming. Hold on. I'll see one. We have some other files also inside this. All brand. Okay, there is a different. Solid, regular. You can see in the folder we have different type of files. Regular is there, solid is there, then slim is there, correct? V4. Oh, so these all are from the V4. Version 4 also are there. Version 5 is also both are there. So solid and regular. Two are inside because it may be we have downloaded the free one. In that only two has given, remaining three they have not given. Solid and free one, solid and regular two are there. Okay, so class name we can get from here. See, when I went here and then let me close it again. And if you want to get like this clipboard. So you can see class is written here called clipboard. Name itself represents as a clipboard. I'll come to my page and I will create one icon. FA clipboard. A regular one will come. Regular one. What is the free icon? That will come clipboard. Clipboard you can see is appear here. Okay, so class name we can find from there and we can write FA space your name of the class, then icon will appear, how bigger you want, that also you can write, which color you want, that also you can write, color combination. This way we can use the icons. Now these icons, whichever are coming here, these icons we want to integrate with our menus. So let's come up and here in the home case, open the I tag and close the I tag and give one space. I tag open and close. Before home give a space. Before home give a space. Right inside class equal to FA hyphen home. So it will give you the home symbol, that regular one. FA home I wrote. So it will give a regular home symbol. After closing the I tag, one space is required. So you can give one space so that one space will get applied. One space will get applied before text. Before text, one space will get applied. One space will get apply. Let us check now in home icon, any home text, home icon is coming. Similar way we can add here some different type of icon. Go for next I tag, next li tag, about us. You can use here a building symbol, FA building, contact us. We can write a headset, HEAD, headset symbol will come. In service, you can write FA tools, tools symbol will come in service. Login, always get represented by log symbol. Sign up, get represented by user plus symbol. Okay. Check now. Icon will come everywhere. I mean icons, all the places. Write it and let me know also your icon represented in the home page. Same icon we need to do under the about page. Same icon we need to display under the about page also. So in about page, we can call the link and we can keep the UL to UL we can replace. Try that. In about page also, same link you can call and you will replace all the UL to UL you can replace, UL to UL you can replace, UL to UL you can replace, and active ID will apply for the about. Active ID will apply for the about. So that about menu will be highlighted. Okay, check now in home and about both the pages. You could see the icon. Let's come to the home file again. In home file, in home file, okay, in home file, welcome home is written. This icon and all, if you want, you can cut from here and keep in another file. In home page, we need to add something else. Okay. We can write inside, remove welcome home and add here one section tag, and under section tag, give id equal to banner. Id equal to banner. For that, CSS will write in your external folder. You need to keep some photos again. You have photo already in the previous folder. Same photo you can copy paste here in external folder. Okay. Next, after this, in this CSS folder, CSS and home file, the section tag we have added ID banner. You can set a background image using the style.css file. In a style.css file, write a ID called banner, and in that set one image as a background. That image already available is in the current folder. Image is available in current folder. So we can go here. I hope you have kept the photo in your current folder. That is external CSS. In external CSS, you have kept the photo. Next, go to the section ID as a banner. Inside that, we can write call as banner. Height of the banner 400. Width will be 100% anyhow. Then background hyphen image colon URL 1.jpg. Then this background image, what you are setting, how much area it should cover. So background hyphen size 100% should be the height, that is 400, and 100% should be the width, that is full screen. That will become background of your current division, current section, and it should cover the full height and full width. Okay, ready? Check in the home file, something appear like this. Now after that, there should be some kind of information about the business. Below will be the footer, social media icon we can add, and something else. So complete this, then we'll come to the home file again. Home.html file. Okay, so hope pretty clear. Now come to the again home file. After this banner, write another section. Give ID container. Under that, we can use h1 tag. Welcome home. Write a p tag. Inside we can keep some details, 2-3 line of content. After section tag, we'll add the footer tag. Under footer tag, you can use any maybe company name. Write the next paragraph. Next, after that, you will write another p tag. Inside, you can follow the social media icons. Social media icons will be the name of a brand. Social media icon will be the name of a brand. So when you are calling any brand name in front of some, it should start with the FAB. It should start with the FAB that represent the brand icon. After that, FA hyphen name of the brand. Facebook. Next, Twitter. Next, something. Okay, so hope you are written for container as well as footer. In footer, social media icon will come. Icons are coming, but through CSS we need to align it properly. For container, we should give certain height. For footer, we should give certain height background. Then page will organize properly. Content will fit properly. So now home file, you have made it. Come to the CSS file. Footer section, I will be sharing in your chat now. Can use this footer code. Okay, go next. And in CSS file, write the CSS for container as container. For that, width only 80% and margin auto. Margin auto. It will come in center. And then just set the minimum height 500 per footer. The minimum height is a 500. You can see container will occupy the 500, footer will go in the last. Now for footer we can write something. Footer background assume I'll keep for green color Then color should be in white color. Then text hyphen align should be in center. Then font size is okay. What else? Padding 30 pixel. And bottom 0 px. Position text and width 100%. So the footer what you are creating, it will not be scrolling up down, it will be just fixed in the bottom. Footer will be fixed in the bottom. Header will go up down, but the footer will be fixed in the bottom. Footer will be fixed in the bottom. You can see padding look like more, reduce that because it's a fixed position. 10 pixel padding will be okay. Less height it will occupy. The header will be scrollable, but this content will be fixed always. Which one? Footer part. Check it. Hope your page should work.
Or there are no complete service to.
Okay, ready? Footer. Now we can add some more thing in the home file. In the section tag after first paragraph, let's display some image. img src 1.jpg class equal to my image. 4 times you can repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, photo is added. Now come there to the CSS file and we can write the CSS for this image tag for this myMG class. My image class we have. For that we can write some CSS. Go to the CSS file and write here class myimage and give the margin 2% and width 21%. Border radius, you have a property that will make your photo little radius. Corners will become radius by 20 pixel. Then let's check once. 4 photos are coming in one line. Four are not able to fit, but we have given the proper calculation. Border radius is not apply. Oh, border hyphen radius. Border hyphen radius we apply. So radius will get applied, but 4 photo you can't see in one line. Even one is hiding in the bottom. Okay, hiding it have solution. First find out solution how we can fit 4. So you can see total width is 100%. In that you are displaying how many photo? 4 photo. 2% margin is given. So if you are displaying 4 photo, width will be 25%. 25 minus 4% margin. Remaining is 21%. But in 21%, 4 photo are not able to fit. The reason is 2% you have given the margin, and by default between 2 photo there will be 3 pixel margin. One photo will leave surrounding 2 to 3 pixel. So that 2 to 3 pixel become extra. That become more than 100%. Because of that, last photo is not able to fit here. 20.5% you have to give. 5.5 percentage buffer space. In that 2 to 3 pixel will accommodate. In that 2 to 3 pixel will fit properly. So we can see here 4 photos are coming. Is a hiding below, no problem. We have solution for that. Because position is fixed position. It always occupies this much of height. Your content will be inside. So for container, we can do some changes that will happen. First, check image. 4 images are in one line. Four photos should appear in one line now. Next, after that, in container, we can write little gap in the bottom, padding bottom. Okay, give some space in the bottom, 100 pixel nearly, padding bottom. So the container will occupy, it will leave some space in the bottom, inside, not outside. Margin will also work here. You can see it's coming. Padding bottom 100 pixel. So that inside the container in bottom 100 pixel space got applied. Okay. Now your photo will be out of the footer. It will not be hide inside. Okay. So hope ready. So your home file template is ready. Home file template is ready. Now about we need to work on that. So in about file, also you have to use the container and footer. Footer will remain same in about file as well. So check now your home file is working well, properly, same like this or different. No answer. Let's go next time. I'll share you the home file. Home.html, home.css, both is sent in your chat. From home file, copy the footer part. From home file, you can copy the footer and paste in about also in the last. Footer you can put in about in the last. Okay, now footer we added in which file? About us. You need to add container also. H1 you can keep under the section tag and give ID called container. ID equal to container. About while will also look similar. Header on the top, footer in the last, and about us in between. Right? Working? See you tomorrow. Remaining 3 pages are there. Form related. Contact file is also form. Login is a form. Register is a form. So we will learn how to write the CSS for input elements. Service one file is there that will design proper boxes wise icon, image, photo, everything. But tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, if rain will continue, then you can join from home only. Okay. Today I have not updated before.
Maybe 2 or 3 more days it might rain. So.
Now, if rain will continue tomorrow morning, they can join from home only. I'll message in the morning. Okay. Okay. Thank you. See you. I'll share you this file. See, going and coming is not problem. Problem is that on the way, no, the underpass work is going on. In traffic, we need to wait.